Discover the Niceday CT11 Magnetic Elliptical Trainer, a robust cardiovascular machine designed to support up to 330 pounds. It's not just any elliptical, it's a top contender in the realm of fitness equipment for seniors. Unveiled on Amazon on January 28, 2021, this heavy-duty trainer boasts a solid steel frame and a compact footprint of 48x24x62 inches. Despite its 100-pound heft, it glides smoothly on its built-in wheels. Stability is key, and the Niceday CT11 doesn't disappoint with its rear polygon stabilizer. Plus, the 15x 5-inch pedals accommodate even size 14 feet thanks to their durable PP material construction. Forget the traditional crank. This machine uses deep groove ball bearings for a whisper-quiet workout. With magnetic resistance and belt drive, it keeps noise below 20 decibels even at peak intensity. Key features include a 15-inch stride, manual magnetic resistance with 16 levels, and a fitness monitor that tracks all your essential workout metrics. And for convenience, there's a bottle holder and a device holder. The elliptical steel frame is both stylish and sturdy, coated in chip-resistant black paint. It's a sleek addition to any home gym, with dimensions that respect your space. Transportation is a breeze with the front stabilizer's wheels. And when it comes to handlebars, you get the best of both worlds: fixed bars with pulse sensors and mobile arms for a full-body workout. The Niceday CT11's rear drive design offers a forward-leaning elliptical path, simulating a gentle ramp descent for a more intense lower-body workout. The pedals are non-slip, ensuring your safety and comfort. With a 15-inch stride, it's perfect for users up to 6'2", while the pedal height accommodates rooms with ceilings at least 20 inches taller than the user. The manual magnetic resistance system means no need for power sources, allowing you to work out anywhere. The 16 levels of resistance cater to both light conditioning and intense hill climbs. The flywheel's weight isn't specified, but it's designed for smooth and consistent pedaling. And with the ability to pedal in reverse, you can mix up your workout routine. The fitness monitor is straightforward, focusing on the essentials: time, pace, distance, calories, and pulse. It's all about simplicity and functionality, with no unnecessary frills. Setting up the Niceday CT11 is a cinch, requiring minimal assembly. Maintenance is just as easy, with no lubrication needed for the belt drive system. Pros include its sturdy frame, quiet operation, and user-friendly fitness monitor. It's a machine that promises ease of use and effective workouts. However, there are a few cons. The device holder may obscure the monitor, and there are no built-in workout programs or online connectivity. In summary, the Niceday CT11 is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable home elliptical. It's built for a variety of workouts, from light cardio to intense strength sessions. Now let's delve into the world of magnetic versus air resistance elliptical trainers. The differences in drive mechanisms are what set them apart. Air resistance models use your pedaling to power a fan, with the air providing the resistance. The harder you pedal, the more resistance you face. High-end magnetic resistance ellipticals use an electromagnet near a flywheel to adjust resistance. With the push of a button, you can easily increase or decrease the challenge. The Niceday CT11 falls into the magnetic resistance category, offering a silent and smooth experience. It's a testament to the advanced technology that makes your workout both enjoyable and effective. In conclusion, whether you're a senior looking for a gentle exercise option or a fitness enthusiast craving a challenging session, the Niceday CT11 Magnetic Elliptical Trainer stands ready to meet your needs.